Let's see some great video today, friends. I left a plastic toy car on top of the shutter blade. This time we will leave a big toy car on top of the shutter blade. What if I put a plastic toy on top of the board shutter blade? This time I put a toy plastic dinosaur. I put a feather bed on top of the shutter blade. The bicycle was smashed to pieces on top of the shutter blade.
Like a Hellcat.
The scooter at the shutter blades ends in an instant. This time I put a play pistol on top of the shutter blades. Someone smashed this van in an instant. This time we give a lot of plastic balls. The steel drum ends with the shutter blade. Look at the condition of the big iron part. We will now give gas lighter with shutter blades. Now I will put the burning candle inside the shutter blades. What happens if a computer keyboard is placed on top of the shutter blades? This time I give him iron piece. Everything came out under the pressure of the shutter blade. I give 3 small ducks with shutter blades. Now I put some cake on top of the shutter blade.